So here's a little update on our walk-up garden beds. These are an absolute pleasure to work with and make weeding and just managing these plants an absolute pleasure. Got some purple sprouting broccoli, got some carrots. We had a bit of wind recently, so the snow peas took a bit of a battering. Got some coriander, some pak choi, but honestly, I'm not going to go back, and these ones, they're going to go soon. I'm going to change them to these because weeding is now not a chore, it's an absolute pleasure. You can probably notice here that this isn't quite level. I'm not sure if the camera will pick it up, but looks like we've had a bit of sinkage here, which is fine. That's to be expected on this side as all the material decomposes and breaks down, and also as the rain gets in there, it settles down the soil. So after this crop, we'll do a little top up, some compost from our compost bins, which are right there. But honestly, I wouldn't go back. This is an absolute pleasure to work with, and the plants seem to grow really well. One little addition I did make, just got a bit of decking, bit of excess decking that we had left over, and I've just chucked it on the end here. This sort of protects me from these sharp edges, and I'm going to do the same on this side. What I'll do for these bits is I'll get a hose pipe. I'm going to cut it in half and just wrap it over the edge, and that will just protect me and the kids from the sharp edges of the beds. Happy days.